Hey folks, welcome to Automotive Technica. In this video, I have a helmet wireless Bluetooth set which can be fitted into the helmet of any kind, and this is EDYELL C8. I can show you the other one which I already unboxed, the peeling of the cover. This MRP is 5999 and it says EDYELL C8 helmet. I got it from Amazon for 2200 something. I'll flash it into the comment section, and this looks to be a highest seller. Let me see how it is. It has got a high quality voice, high fidelity voice, this says, because I've seen through the reviews. They say that the speakers are good, approximately 550 mm, and let me see if it is really 50 mm after opening it. And Bluetooth wireless V5.4 and large capacity battery, 1000 milliamps, and this is ready for music. Let's see how the music goes. And IPX6 waterproof, and it has got a high fidelity microphone as well. I'll come to know only when I connect it to the calls or to fitting it into the helmet. Compatibility with iOS and Android, that is by default. All the systems support, including your Windows laptop also. You can join and talk to the helmet Bluetooth set. So it doesn't matter. This is just a common thing. All Bluetooth support all the operating systems. So noise reduction, it says, I don't think so. What type of noise reduction they are talking about? There should be two microphones for adaptive noise cancellations, but this noise cancellation reduction, I need to check it out. So this is the overview. This is the frequency range, 20 to 20 kilohertz by default. Audio frequency bandwidth of human being. I don't think the low frequency and high frequency are 20 kilohertz is audible. Again, marketing gimmicks. Grade of waterproof IPX8. This is very interesting. Charging time is 1.5 hours and playtime 40 hours. Model number is C8. So that's thing. So this is the latest Bluetooth version 5.4. The delay and lag will be less, and yeah, this is helmet wireless earphone. They say let's unbox it. There's a seal here. Do not accept the seal if it is broken. Stay tuned. Yeah, so this is the set. This looks good quality. Build quality is awesome. It's very good, and I believe yeah, this is looks to be 1000 milliampere hours and 3.7 volts. Made in China. Yes. Yeah, this is the helmet. It goes to the inside part of the helmet clip, and on this will sit. Yeah, this apart. What all are there? Yeah, this is the one. Is the mic, and these are the speakers. 50 mm. I need to measure, but this looks to be good one. Mic looks to be of good quality, and yeah, that is a Velcro type, and this is the connection. It's a small one, yeah. And apart from this, there are certain kind of stickers to be used inside the helmet, and there's a C-type charger, helmet wireless earphone, paperwork. Yeah, the quality of the manual is good. English version, there are many languages here. User manual English looks to be good. Yeah, these are the set of instructions in all the languages. 7 languages they have it. Yeah, and let's see. I'll just connect it and update you how is the sound quality. Stay tuned. So there's a power button, mode button, and these are the two keys. And one thing is like any additional key I need to see in the manual. Yeah, and this is the charger. When you put it on the helmet, this comes down, so no tension of water seepage inside. This one is for the cable, the mic and speaker cable. So this goes inside bottom part, and yeah, this goes into the helmet, and this will be outside the helmet on the side way. And there is one more LED light. This one is like when you want to hop on the bike and put a key in the dark. You can switch on. I believe this is the light button, and yeah, it will switch on. Let me see the fire up. Yeah, it comes on, and this is a firing mode. And if I just see if the light glows or not, I think I should check the details of the manual. Well, that's a quick review about this. I'll shut it down. Well, here are the details on the button. This is the mode work indicator, and this is power on off. And here you have volume up button and the next track, and this is the volume down and previous track or the start of the song. This is the AI key. So this AI key is for Siri and Google. And here the bulb can be activated by double pressing the M key. I'll show you. Yeah. So this is the torch. Is off. Yeah, that's it. And I'll connect it into the helmet and update you on the music quality, phone quality, and yeah, stay tuned. So folks, I was talking about this noise reduction, and I seen there are two microphones. One is here, this can be internal to be pasted, and the other one is this routes to, and they have got the connectors, the small connectors, and this goes to only at one point. So these are, one microphone can be used at one time. So this is for the internal helmet, and this to be looks like a cruiser type of helmet, and thus to be decided which helmet you're going to use it. Now this looks like there is only one microphone. The noise reduction technique I'm not sure, because it requires two microphones and there is no provision of second microphone for noise reduction. So noise reduction may be some kind of their passive thing they are talking about, not the active echo cancellation type of stuff in the processor. So I believe this is what they mean of, and I think once I start using the set, I'll come to know what type of noise reduction it is. So stay tuned for the quality of music update and the voice quality update from this unit. So folks, I have paired this setup with iPhone here, and it shows C8, and now I have played the music. Apple Music is on lossless format, and in the speakers I have heard it, and it is, the sound quality is excellent. It's crystal clear. The highs, mids, and the low frequencies are very prominent. So that's good feedback from me. The music quality is good, and after fitting into the helmet, it will be more precise, close to your ears, and it will sound more better. So now let's test this microphone. I'm going to call another phone from this number, and let's record the voice which I speak from the other phone. Mukun, कहाँ पे हो? So folks, I have called from my Bluetooth to this phone, and I'm going a little bit away, otherwise it will do echo. It will record the sound which I speak from this microphone, and send it from my phone to this phone. So stay tuned. I'll just go away from this phone and talk now.
Yeah, mic testing. One, two, three. Mic testing. One, two, three, four. I believe this is very clear. It's on the speaker. and that is what the microphone picked up from a distance. Thank you.
So, folks, the final verdict is this is ample a system where you can use it for 2200 rupees on your helmet, and it provides a good quality audio, a good battery life because it's 1000 milliamps, and a good audio quality in the phone when you talk to other person. So the thing is, the microphone pickup is different compared to your high end systems. This is good, ample thing, and not reverberating or kind of plosive sound. This is perfect for a single rider. It doesn't have a mesh network or something. This for that what you can expect is the best Bluetooth connectivity to the phone and listen to the music while riding. And here is a Type C USB charger. This microphone is going for the cruiser helmet where this is required a solid, a flexible stem, and this is replaceable. So you can replace the small mic which can be stuck into the chin part of the closed helmet, and this will go to the closed helmet, and this is for the cruiser. So that's a good decision they have done it. The packaging is good, the build quality is good, the connectivity is good, the audio quality is good, all the frequencies are crystal clear, and yeah. Regarding the noise cancellation, I didn't see any kind of a noise or something, but this is not an active noise canceller because it requires two microphones. And in this, I do not see any kind of suppression hole apart from anything. So there is a battery here. If you pressed it twice, the battery switches on, and if I press it twice, the same M button, the light goes off. So the light is for it's very useful because you can search it anything on the keyhole of your bike, or you want to do some quick checks into your purse or pay some toll, and this will be much useful in the night. And I believe this will get you going on the helmet very well rather than any kind of a starter. This is a good starter, and going with the high end, this is enough. I believe so. This is like looks to be a professional as well. The build quality is good, and I do not have any complaints. Yeah, that's the thing. And if you have any questions, please put the queries into your comment section. I will motivate and answer questions to you. And yeah, subscribe to my channel Automotive Technica and stay blessed.